Welcome to the project demonstration of Morse code development by using Arduino UNO. So here we are going to provide the Morse codes like dots and dashes from this switch, and we're going to capture the time interval for the pressing of the switch. So if it is switch was pressed for more than 0.5 second and less than 1 second, then it's considered as a dot. And if the pressing time is more than 2.5 seconds and less than the 3 seconds, then it will consider as a dash. So these dot and dash combinations for the alphabets. So we have developed this project for only alphabets, that's A to Z. So when we are pressing the switch in an interval duration of dots and dashes combination, then the respective character will be displayed on the LCD screen. So if we didn't press any input to the system around 5 seconds of duration empty, then the system will considering as a space, then it will enter the space over there, means it will enter the spaces between the characters. So let us see the pin configurations. We have interface the LCD at pin number 2 to pin number 7, and a switch interface at the pin number 10 of our UNO board. So let us see that power supply to UNO board through this adapter by providing the 230 volts AC input, and initially it will provide as a blank screen. I will capturing that. So let us tap the input from the push button. So we are entering. So 4 dashes have entered. If you entered successfully, then H entered 4 dashes, and without any space. Sorry, I entered the time gap, right? Now let us see H. Right, so H entered, right, without any gap. So S entered, 4 dashes considered. Four dots. So coming to the dash also. Next A. So A, I am not entering any character now. So when we are providing the above 5 seconds duration gap, then next character will be entered after the space. So let us go with the A. So it's E captured. So the dash was not captured. So we need to practice more for dash case. So T entered as it's considered as only dash. A entered here. So there are the characters we have entered while we are testing from the mouse keyboard switch. So only thing is we need to practice more to get the high accuracy characters entering from the switch button using the mouse codes, dot and dash.